What's up YouTube, my name is Core and welcome back to my channel, or if you're first time here, I buy and sell stuff online, reseller basically in eBay, Amazon, on my own website on Shopify, and just recently I started selling stuff on Depop as well. So today I've received another box from Pre-Loved Kilo, and yeah, we'll open it up and see what we received. So let's see, hopefully we have some nice goodies in here. So let's see. So first item is a t-shirt, Adidas t-shirt. So it's just, first item, I have to say, pretty horrible condition. There's some dark stains under the armpits, and it's just a basic t-shirt from 2014, so it's not vintage either, but Pre-Loved, they don't really claim that it is vintage, so I think that's probably one of the only vintage wholesalers who doesn't say that everything is vintage, although it might be 2000s and like recent stock. So yeah. Next one, LS, however you want to pronounce it. T-shirt, looks like a nice condition. So size large, basic, nice clean tee. So quite happy with that one. They're not like they're insanely valuable or anything like that, but still alright. Just everything looks very dark. I don't know. It is miserable weather outside, but so next up is a Nike t-shirt. It's again nothing special, size small. Even the condition is not the best. It has quite a bit of bubbling, but Nike always sells. There's some staining as well. So 2 out of 3 items at the moment that has been stained. Next, that's some shirt. Quite cool actually. Alright, where is that? So it looks like, you know, like this Hawaiian beach type of shirt. It looks like all the tags have been removed, so I have no idea whose shirt it is. And yeah, there's absolutely no tags whatsoever, no material, nothing. So yeah, it's quite nice, like nice pattern, but I just don't know whose shirt it is. But do some research with why is it so dark. Let's see, it's gonna be better like that. Anyway, we'll film it and see if it's even worthwhile posting this stuff, because I can't see my face, to be honest. So right, next one, Stray, another like a shirt. I don't even know the brand, to be honest. Stray or something like that. Stray. So, but I don't know. If it's a good brand, it might be quite a bit of money, but it feels like nice quality. But I don't know, 15 quid, something like that. Then Levi's shirt. That's probably the first first nice item. Condition looks nice. Levi's shirt. Another 15 pounds hopefully. Might even push 20. It's not a denim shirt, but it's like this western cowboy shirt. still only a really nice piece. Then next one we have Tommy shirt. Again, good condition. I don't know, Tommy shirts, I haven't really got much money for any Tommy shirts, to be honest. I've sold some t-shirts and like shirts like that, but usually 15-20 pounds. I haven't really got much more, but the quality and condition is really nice on that one, so you never know. I still have to do the research. I'll just give you like rough prices what I think I might get, but every single piece I do research obviously when I'm listing them, because you know prices go up and down every now and then, and also like season change, so some of these items might become more like people want them more because it's turning now spring, summer. But yeah, I'm kind of giving you rough what I might get right now. I might list it totally different price, you never know. So right, next up we have some Adidas joggers from, what year are they then? 2012, so just the basic joggers. There is some like paint stain and some other stain on the knee, so I'm not very happy with them. Adidas joggers always sell, but if it has some stains, what's not going to come out, it just makes it harder. So next one, Nike hoodie. It's a Nike hoodie, but the Nike swoosh just looks off to me. Let's see on tags. I don't know about that. It's a nice thick hoodie, but just all the labels, everything seems right, but just maybe it's just because it's been washed and stuff, it's just gone a little bit off. It just looks a little bit crooked. If you can, I don't know if you can see, if you can even see me. But other than that, it's a pretty nice hoodie. Probably would get like 20 quid for that, because it is a nice heavy one. Well, yeah, I need to kind of take a look. I'm not sure about this logo here. It looks a bit off to me. Next up, Reebok. This is again quite nice, heavy hoodie. I do like it. It has a bit of a bubble in it, and drawstring is missing, but it is still a nice hoodie. 20-25 I would aim to get for that, and I'm pretty sure it will go. Next, that looks like something vintage, something vintage. It sure is. So Adidas Australia. Then the logo looks so weird. Look at that. Man, it doesn't even have inside label or tags anymore. Just the neck tag, but this is definitely old. Size 7. I can't tell what year it might be. 80s. Look at that. Pretty nice, this one. The color just pops. And this Adidas original. Then it just looks so weird. It's very old, that's for sure. But it almost looks like it's fake. But just depends how old it is. I'm kind of thinking that it might be actually older than 80s. Just because of the zips and stuff, they look very old. but it's just the wash tag. I have to look what year is this blue box Adidas logo, because that's pretty much all that's left on this tag. Nothing else, and just made in Australia. So, but it's a pretty nice piece. It has some stains on it, but the color is just popping. Boom, another Adidas top. Just blue. Adidas has like a, you know, faded logos everywhere, all over print. And again, black Adidas tag. So that's not too old. Yeah, it looks pretty nice. So what year is it? 2008. Yeah, so 2000s. Not quite vintage yet, but still a nice piece. And that's it, last piece. Another Adidas Originals. Boom. This is a really, again, it's a modern, it's not an old hoodie. But condition is great. So I'm gonna aim to get 20 for that as well. 20, 25. Take a best offer or something like that. And that's 2012. So 9 years old. But condition is great, so what I paid like £80 for the box. And I've ordered from Pre-Loved Kilo quite a few times that I've been in their shop and all this, and their you know, kilo sales. I think I've never lost money on their stuff. So obviously when I've been on their hand-picking events, then you know, you're paying up a little bit, but you're selecting every piece yourself. So these times I've always made the most, but these little boxes, they do pretty well as well. Sometimes they, you know, throw a few of the like crap items in, like the first 2 or 3 what had stains on it, but most of the items you will make money. Anyway, my like how many times I've bought from them, I've never lost money, I've made some. So I just quickly look as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So £80, 13 items, what is it, 8-9 pounds, something like that per item, which is quite high, I have to say, because there is yeah, like the t-shirts, this I'm gonna get 8-9 pounds for it, no way. But some of the Adidas stuff I might get 20 to 30. The really old one, who the hell knows, might get even more. But yeah, I think, and the like Levi's shirt and the Tommy shirt, they're all fine. So, but the t-shirts are kind of a bust, because I'm pretty sure these 3 t-shirts, well, LSC, that's a nice condition shirt, so probably gonna ask 15, but at the same time you can buy a like brand new one for 15 already. So I need to see. My t-shirts, I might just get my money back, or maybe even lose money. But the shirts and hoodies, I will definitely make money. So average type of box. And that's it. So let me know how you've been doing with like Pre-Loved Kilo boxes. Have you made some good money? Have you lost money? Have they sent you some amazing items, or have you just received a pile of shit? But I've like made some money every single time. So, and this one as well, I paid 80 delivered, and I still think I'm gonna be 200 plus on this lot, so nothing to whine about. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Leave your comments below, smash that like, and if you want to see more like online reselling type of content, business, all this stuff, unboxing, I think I'm going to start doing unboxing more as well, then you know, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Take care guys.